Hi, this is John from Chicago, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm bringing you the VisWhoop from Machine. It's a 2.5-inch quad with protectors around the motors, and it weighs 119 grams dry weight, and then with a 650 milliamp hour battery it weighs 186 grams. What makes this special is it's Dji Compatible. It has a CADX Vista system in it for the air unit and camera, which gives you fantastic video. And right now is probably your best time to get into digital if you want to go that route. Because they have a Father's Day sale that you could get these goggles everywhere for $409. I did a video on that. I'll link that in the description below. And then for the last couple months, they've been running these from Banggood on sale. They list for $250, and there's a $50 off coupon, so for $200 you could get the quad. And the Vista unit alone costs $150, so you're really getting this quad for about $50. And you really can't go wrong with it. But I'll do my range test on this, and I'll do a speed test and show you what type of speed this has, and then I'll talk about durability and give you my final recommendations. Here I'm starting the range test, and I'm running down the sidewalk here on the street. The last house is my house, and the mailbox is at 165 meters. This has a the VisWhoop has a SPI receiver. But it's a special SPI receiver. It has dual antennas, so it should do pretty good. I'm hoping it'll make the fence, which is at 300 meters. The video, I know, will work good. It should make 300 meters with this CADX Vista unit. But I will be going blocking some of the signals as I turn to the right here with the homes that are along the block. But it still seems to be managing quite good. There's no breakup in the screen yet, and I'm hoping to make the fence, which is 300 meters. It's starting to break up on the edges, and the picture is getting a little fuzzy there, but I was able to just about make the fence, which is 300 meters, and now I'm headed back. Now I'm doing a thrust test, picking up some blocks. I'm picking up 450 grams of blocks right there, plus the weight of the quad, which is 186, for a total of 636 grams with a power rate ratio of 3.4, which is pretty good. I'm doing a speed test now around the playground. This is a 15-second lap right here. This is moving pretty good considering it has the prop protectors on there. It has 1204 motors at 5,000 kV, and that moves this little quad right along. It has a all-up weight of 186 grams. I would like to get it about 20 grams lighter. I could do that by using a different frame that doesn't have prop protectors. Those prop protectors weigh 12 grams, 3 grams apiece. I just crashed there. I like flying fast and slow. It broke one of the protectors right there. So they give you 2 spare ones, but if you're going to be keeping those on, you're going to have to buy a dozen of those things. There's some other little parts on there that are TPU that don't hold up very good. So that's why I really want to get a new frame for this. I think I can spend $30, $40 on a frame and really have a nice quad. So if you have any comments or questions, please leave those below. And thanks for watching. This is John from Chicago, and I would give it a thumbs up, worth buying. It's a good quad for the money, and you could always change it to make it better.